I'm going to record and share this TPRS, the third lesson, and this one uses extended language, where not only will you be saying Eya for yes, Gaawiin for no, or Eya, bimose, yes, he is walking, or Gaawiin, no, namadape, he's sitting. Now you're going to be negating the word. You're going to be saying what would be like, no, he is not sitting. Excuse me. That would be Gaawiin, and then the verb namadabe, and you add the sound si or si onto the end. So just give it a listen and then try to answer along with me in the video. Let me screen share here. Just a second. Hang on. Sorry. There we go. To the beginning. Right. So, namadabe, namadabe, namadabe ina, namadabe ina, eya, namadabe, nibawe ina, nibawe ina, Gaawiin, nibawe si, Gaawiin, nibawe si. Nibawe, nibawe, nibawe ina, eya, nibawe, namadabe ina, namadabe ina, Gaawiin, namadabe si, Gaawiin, namadabe si. Nibawe, Gaawiin, namadabe si. Zaga ina, eya, zaga bindige ina, bindige ina, Gaawiin, bindige si, Gaawiin, bindige si. Namadabe ina, namadabe ina, Gaawiin, namadabe si, Gaawiin, namadabe si. Zaga ina, zaga ina, eya, zaga Shumingweni, Zumingweni, Zumingwene ina, Zumingweni ina, eya, Zumingweni. Kashkendam ina, Kashkendam ina, Gaawiin, Kashkendanzi, Gaawiin, Kashkendanzi. Shumingweni ina, eya, Shumingweni. Bimose, bimose, bimose ina, eya, bimose. Namadabe, ina, namadabe, ina, Gaawiin, namadabesi. Gaawiin, namadabesi. Jumengwene, ina, Jumengwene, ina, eya, Jumengwene. Kashkendam, ina, Kashkendam, ina, Gaawiin, Kashkendansin. Gaawiin, Kashkendansi. Bimose, ina, eya, bimose. Inneendam, 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 ina, inneendam, ina, eya, inneendam. Namadabe, ina, namadabe, ina, Gaawiin, namadabesin. Gaawiin, namadabesi. Zagaam, ina, zagaam, ina, Gaawiin, zagaansin. Gaawiin, zagaansin. Inini dagoshen, wamating. Dagoshen, wamating. Dagoshen, ina, dagoshen, ina, eya, dagoshen. Namadabe, ina, namadabe, ina, Gaawiin, namadabesi. Gaawiin, namadabesi. Zagaam, ina, zagaam, ina, Gaawiin, zagaansin. Gaawiin, zagaansin. Dagoshen. Maishkam, maishkam, maishkam. Maishkam, ina, eya, maishkam. Bimi batu, ina, bimi batu, ina, Gaawiin, bimi batusi. Gaawiin, bimi batusi. Bimose, ina, bimose, ina, Gaawiin, bimosesii. Gaawiin, bimosesii. Maishkam, maishkam. Zagaam, wamating. Zagaam. Zagaam, ina, eya, zagaam. Bindige, ina, bindige, ina, Gaawiin, bindigesi. Gaawiin, bindigesi. Bimose, bimose. Bimi batu, ina, bimi batu, ina, Gaawiin, bimi batusi. Gaawiin, bimi batusi. Bindige, ina, bindige ina, Gaawiin, bindigesin, Gaawiin, bindigesi, ineendam ina, Gaawiin, ineendan zien, Gaawiin, ineendan zien, bimose ina, eya, bimose, nagamo, bimi batuina, Gaawiin, bimi batusin, gigadoina, Gaawiin, gigadosi, Gaawiin, gigadosi, nagamo ina, eya, nagamo, tagoshin, tagoshinina, eya, tagoshin, bindigeina, ina, Gaawiin, bindigesi, Gaawiin, bindigesi, namadabe ina, Gaawiin, namadabesi, Gaawiin, namadabesi, bindige, bindigeina, eya, bindige, zaga ina, Gaawiin, zaga unseen, Gaawiin, zaga unseen. Miigwech. So I'll go through those translations real quick. Namadabe, he is sitting. Namadabe, he is sitting. Nibawe, he is standing. Nibawe, he is standing. Nibawe ina, is he standing? Gaawiin nibawe seen. Gaawiin nibawe see. So that means no, he is not standing, or he is not standing. I have a video in the Google Classroom. I don't remember what it's called, but I think it's like it has negatives or Gaawiin phrases in the title, and that explains all of how to create negated sentences. So if you want to know more about why it might sound like seen or zine on the end, that's the video that you want to watch. Also note, just based on dialect, whether you say an N sound on the end or you don't, if you just say Gaawiin ni bawesi or Gaawiin ni bawesin, you are correct. Just, I believe in the White Earth area, I was told that there is no N on the end, but I've heard both, and really, either way, you're still negating the sentence. So, ni bawe, he is standing. Namadabe ina is he sitting. Gaawiin, namadabe si. So that Gaawiin works together with the si to make the action or the verb not happen. Gaawiin, namadabe si. And that si attaches right onto the end of the word namadabe to create one word, and that Gaawiin works with it, kind of like a compound word. Zaga he is leaving or he is going out. Zaga Zaga amina? Is he leaving? Eya, zaga yes, he's leaving. Bindige ina? Is he entering? Is he going inside? Bindige ina? Gaawiin bindige si. Gaawiin bindige si. That means no, he is not going inside. Jumingweni, he is smiling. Jumingweni, is he smiling? Yeah, Jumingweni, yes, he's smiling. Gush Kingdom, is he sad? Gush Kingdom, is he sad? Gaawiin, Gush Kingdom Zine. No, he's not sad. Gaawiin, Gush Kingdom Zine. So you might notice a little bit on the end of that word, the word Gush Kingdom ends with an M sound, but when you tack that C on the end, the M changes to an N, and the N triggers that C to become more of a Z. Now, that might seem like a lot to remember, but my other video explains why that happens, and you could say it's just like an easier way to say it rule. So if you were to try and say Gaawiin Gush Kingdom C, it's a lot of work for your mouth to get all those sounds out. But if you're talking fast and you're like Gaawiin Gush Kingdom Z, you just kind of naturally make the NZ sound. And because we now write the language, we had to try and account for that. So it's the easier to say rule is kind of how I put it. If it ends with an M, change the M to an N sound, and the N always triggers the S to be a Z sound, because trying to say S after N doesn't go so well. Gaawiin Gush Kingdom C. Your mouth just wants to say a Z sound. Bimose, he is walking. Bimose ina. Is he walking? Bimose ina. Eya. Bimose, yes, he is walking. Bimi batu ina. Is he running? Bimi batu ina. Gaawiin bimi batu si. Gaawiin bimi batu si. No, he is not running. Inandum, he is thinking. Inandum ina. Is he thinking? Yeah, inandum. Namadabe ina. Is he sitting? Gaawiin namadabe si. No, he is not sitting. Gaawiin namadabe si. Jumingweni ina. Is he smiling? Yeah, Jumingweni. He is smiling. Gush Kingdom ina. Is he sad? Gush Kingdom ina. Gaawiin Gush Kingdom Zine. Gaawiin Gush Kingdom Z. No, he is not sad. Dugoshin Wamating. Inani, the man, Dugoshin. He arrives at Walmart, Wamating. So Dugoshin, is he arriving? Eya, Dugoshin. Zaga amina, is he leaving? Gaawiin Zaga Zine. Sorry, stuffy nose. Gaawiin Zaga excuse me. Gaawiin Zaga Unseen. Gaawiin Zaga Unseen. No, he is not leaving. Namadabe ina, is he sitting? Gaawiin namadabe si. Gaawiin namadabe si. No, he is not sitting. Ma ishkam. He is shopping. Bimi batu ina, is he running? Bimi batu ina. Gaawiin bimi batu si. Gaawiin bimi batu si. He is not running. Zaga Wamating. He is leaving Walmart. Zaga Zaga ina. Hey, yeah. Zaga Is he leaving? Yes, he is leaving. Zaga Bindige ina? Is he entering? Bindige ina? Gaawiin bindige si. Gaawiin bindige si. No, he is not entering. Bimose, he is walking. Bimose. Inaindamina, is he thinking? Inaindamina. Gaawiin inaindansi. No, he's not thinking. And there it is again. Inaindam ends with an M. But when you throw the C, the negation on the end, because remember that C works together with the Gaawiin to make the action not happen. It is Gaawiin inaindansi. You got the N sound with the Z instead of the C. Also, you need the C on the end to make it not happen, because if you were to say Gaawiin inaindam, you're saying no, he is thinking. Gaawiin inaindansi, no, he is not thinking. So like you could think of the word of that sound part C on the end as if it's the English equivalent to not. I hope that helps. Again, go watch my other video, please, and it will go more in depth into all of that. Nagamo, Nagamo, he is singing. Nagamo ina, is he singing? Nagamo ina, or Nagamona? Yeah, Nagamo, he is singing. Inaindamina, is he thinking? Gaawiin inaindansi. Gaawiin inaindansi. No, he is not thinking. Nagamo, he is singing. Dagoshin, Dagoshin, he has arrived, or he's arrived. Dagoshinina, is he arrived? Yes. Dagoshin, yes, he's arriving, or he's arrived just now in this present moment. Bindigayana, Bindigayana, is he entering? Gaawiin bindigaysi. No, he's not entering. Gaawiin bindigaysi. Oh, now bindigay. Now he is entering. Now, Ojibwe. That's the word for now. Bindigay. He is entering. Bindigay. Zaga amina. Is he leaving? Zaga amina. Gaawiin zaga unseen. Gaawiin zaga unseen. No, he is not leaving. And again, zaga becomes zaga un, and then the C becomes Z. Gaawiin zaga unseen. How Miigwech for listening. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Please check out the other videos and the lessons on Google Classroom, and then run through these ones to practice, because they will help you start saying things and being quicker with processing questions, so that way you can start answering simple yes/no questions. All right, Miigwech.